everybody, welcome down to the allotment. Just getting down this morning, see what there's to do, so I'll give you a little bit of a tour of what's happening, so show you soon. So if you enjoy watching these, don't forget, give you a thumbs up and subscribe. So I'll give you a bit of a tour. We'll start from the front, what we've done here. Plants in here, strawberries here. These two boxes, that one and a barrel and that, are going to be emptied in there when we sort that out. I'm just waiting for Danny to come down. All these beds are, just went through with a hoe again, all ready for planting. We'll go into the greenhouse with a polytunnel. Cucumbers, they're going to go in down there. How many I'm going to keep, I don't know. Kale, and I've never ever been successful with kale, so I'm happy with them. So they'll go out there, so I'll probably have to get them out and holding them off. This is for beans and peas. There's onions behind there, needs a little bit weeding. Need to get down there and weed down there. Strawberries are starting to come on. I want to build a cover for them. As I say, rhubarb doing well. Over there, there's some radishes and lettuces. It looks as though they're starting to come up. So hopefully, that needs clearing out because we're going to put peas in. All right, go back down this way. More onions in there, but it needs tidying out. Into a cold frame. Beans, courgettes, peas ready to go in, and sprouts. So back to our sitting area. Take it into the shed. Get this lot sorted out, so that's ready to put the tomatoes in. So here we've got tomatoes here, tomatoes there, leeks. These are flowers. Sweet corn there, all flowers. Geraniums, lupins, sweet peas, marigolds, and something called rubecas. That's there. Under here I've got just been planted. It's like sunflowers in that one. And I believe it's broccoli in that one. Broccoli in that one. They were just planted last week, so nothing up yet. So that's your tour, and as I say here, if you look at that, it's doing fantastic. That's the grapevine. So that's that. So show you back later on. We've done more stuff. Okay, what we're doing today. Well, that's with sprouts, which we've just tidied up. So a couple of weeks time before they go in. They're going in tomorrow. A couple of weeks before they're going, because they're still tender crops. So that's that. Where Dano is, we've been working on these, tidied them up, made a new one there. Well, fixed that one as best as we can. So basically, and that's it. Other than Everything else is the same. So what we're going to do now is, because we're getting ready to go, put the tools away, put everything away, water the plants, and then go. So if you enjoy watching these videos, oh well, actually no, I'll not put this one out yet. I'll do some more video tomorrow and then we'll end it. So bye for now. Morning everybody, another day down at the allotment. What we're going to be doing today is took these out to polytunnel to harden off. So from there, and we've got the peas. So we're going to sort the peas out, put a trench along there and put the peas in. Rob's busy doing weeding this, and he's going to put some cardboard down, and we're going to build a frame over to cover it so that the birds don't pinch the strawberries. So that's some of the jobs we're going to do today. Hopefully I'll try and film with putting the peas in, just as long as this weather stays off. So see you soon. Right, Rob's digging a trench along here so that we can put these peas in. Yeah, I'll come all the way to the end here because there's loads of them. Right, I'll come back and show you when we're putting the peas in. Okay, that's beans in there. We've got some more, so I'm going to have to make another area up by the looks of it. So, yeah. Back soon.
One more. Then we got the rest can go somewhere else.
Actually, Rob, that net goes along that way.
I'll stick less than there.
Right.
Could do that way. Could do that.
As long as you leave this net free.
Wait a minute. What I'm going to do first before I do anything else is spread them out first. See my fit down here. Then I'll pull in that. I'll cook that'll take a break. And that one there. And I do one there. I'll put one there in a minute.
What you got left?
I got 3 left. I put one. I got 4 in there. I got 3 left.
Right. Right. Gillian is putting beetroot in. You know, because this is a big bed. I got a label.
No.
Thank
Yeah, I'll give you one.
Yeah. Okay, well that's been another couple of days down here. What we've There's the peas in, so they're in. We've done that to the strawberry bed, and it's starting to rain now, so that's what we done yesterday. We're now just bringing the stuff in that I'm holding off in, get that closed, and I've got some plants to take in. So I hope you enjoy watching these videos. Please leave a comment, and I'll see you again next time. So bye for now.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before ye gan. DRD allotments, see you next time, man!